Hey everyone, Micah here with Electrek, and today I'm reviewing the Emove Touring electric scooter. Let's go for a scoot.
I think I'd start by calling the Emove Touring something of a Goldilocks scooter, as in it's not too much, it's not too little, it's just right. It combines the speed and power of larger, more expensive scooters with the size and portability of the lighter, smaller, yet slower electric scooters. That results in the best of both worlds, making this scooter just right. For example, it only weighs 39 pounds, but it's still a fast scooter with a top speed rating of 24 miles per hour or 38 kilometers per hour, thanks to its 500 watt continuous and 750 watt peak motor. And to let you in on a little secret, I somehow hit 26 miles per hour, measured on flat ground, and so this scooter seems to underpromise and overdeliver in the speed department. It's also got a larger than average battery at 624 watt hours. That will give it a range of around 25 miles or 40 kilometers, enough for pretty much any standard urban commute. If you're traveling distances of more than 25 miles in one shot, maybe a standing electric scooter isn't for you. One of the coolest things about the Emove Touring electric scooter, and what sets it apart from the other electric scooters in its size class, is its full suspension. You've got a spring suspension fork up front and dual rear spring shocks in the rear. The difference that full suspension makes compared to non-suspension electric scooters is a bit hard to describe. If you've only ever ridden bird-style shared electric scooters before, then the best way I can think to describe the feeling of upgrading to a full suspension scooter is basically removing all the things that pretty much suck about bird scooters. All that road vibration, the shock of hitting sidewalk cracks or potholes, etc. Suspension just makes the ride so much more pleasant, and even opens up the possibility of doing a bit of off-roading. I can cut across the grass on a scooter like this without the vibrations trying to shake all the bones out of my wrists and ankles. Try that on a bird scooter and you'll be crying. Other than the main advantages of the longer range, higher speed, and full suspension design of the Emove Touring scooter, the rest of the features are basically what you'd expect. You get lights, strong brakes, a trigger throttle, folding handlebars, etc, etc, etc. All the rest of the stuff is fine. You know, it's not amazing, but it's all pretty good quality. However, it's those other factors, it's the speed, the power, the suspension. Those are the things that make this scooter so special. They're also the things that kind of bump the price up a bit too though. The scooter retails for $899, which is around $200 more than the long-range Xiaomi and Segway scooters. But like I said, this scooter goes nearly twice as fast, gets better range, and adds full suspension, so that $200 premium feels like a steal to me. But to make the price even better, we've managed to get you guys a discount code. Just enter the code Electrek at checkout, and you'll receive over $60 off the scooter. Not too shabby.
Thanks for watching everyone, I hope you enjoyed that review. If you did, why don't you give it a thumbs up? And don't forget to subscribe so you can check out all of our electric vehicle videos. We'll see you next time.